Hello and welcome to ये भी Unbox. So in this very video we'll be doing सीधी बात no बकवास. So there is a comparison between two different sort of vests. In previous videos we have already unboxed these two different sort of vests. So now we are going to compare and I'm going to let you know which one you should go for. So do watch this video if you're planning to buy a very comfortable vest. So let's get started. This one is organic cotton from Almo. And this one is Micromodal slim fit vest from Almo. So this is Micromodal and this is organic cotton. So I'll be showing you both of these vests. In the previous videos I have talked about these two vests, सीधी बात no bakwas, in that way, and I have told about them in details. So now in this video I'm going to compare that. See, the video is not going to be too lengthy. Why? Because the thing is they both are very comfortable, very comfortable. But if you still compare, so this organic one is far better than the cotton one. This is organic cotton, and the thing that I liked very much in this is its logo, and behind this branding. This is going to give you some brand kind of feeling. There are some other soothing colors also. Options you can see from my description in this video. You can check the description for the links, buying links, and there you can choose from any of the colors that you like, and all the colors are very soothing and very comfortable, very good. So this is only in the black or white. If you talk about Micromodal, so that is available only in the black or white. Organic cotton vest is far better than your normal cotton vest, and this is Micromodal vest is far better than this organic cotton vest. So if you're talking about if you're going for the comfort, then definitely you should go for only and only Micromodal stuff, whether of any brand, but Almo is also one of the very good brands, and they have very good stuff also, and they are durable also. Most of the time when I make this kind of videos, so in comment box people ask me about the durability. So I would say that they are very durable, and you can just simply machine wash them, and they are not going to get you any lints and all. So they are not going to be worn out very soon. If you still have not subscribed to ये भी Unbox channel, do subscribe it right now and post your valuable comments, and do like this video if this has benefited you. See you in the next video. Again we'll be doing सीधी बात no bakwas.